Hello guys, in this video, I will show you a detailed comparison between Xtrade and Fidelity, the two most trusted online brokers in the US. And if you're choosing where to start or shift your investment, this guide will help you make the right decision. So let's compare both of them. Number 1, the trading platforms. Fidelity offers a clean and beginner-friendly interface via its web and mobile app, while also providing Active Trader Pro for advanced users. On the other hand, eTrade delivers an equally robust platform with Power eTrade, which is better suited for options and technical traders. Number 2, the fees and commissions. Both of the platforms offers zero commissions for US stocks, ETFs, and option trades. However, Fidelity has slightly lower fees on mutual funds and expense ratios, while Xtrade may charge more broker-assisted trades. Number 3, investment options. Fidelity shines in mutual funds, index funds, and retirement-focused products, while Xtrade is more aligned with active traders, offering a large selection of options, futures, and margin trading services. Number 4, research tools. Xtrade offers in-depth third-party research from Morningstar and Leaper, while Fidelity matches this, but it also offers proprietary tools like Fidelity Viewpoints and personalized planning tools. Number 5, customer support and extras. Fidelity is widely praised for its customer service and retirement planning tools, while Xtrade counters with solid support and high-level resources for traders, especially those focusing on options. So, for final verdict, you can choose Fidelity if you are focused on long-term investing, retirement planning, or mutual funds. And you can choose Xtrade if you are an active trader looking for powerful technical tools and options flexibility. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.